Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools on hand. You'll need a saw, spacers, tapping block, and of course, your trusty measuring tape. Having everything ready will streamline the process and ensure a smoother installation. Give your laminate flooring time to adjust to the environment it will be installed in. This helps prevent any potential warping or buckling later on. Simply leave the flooring in the room for a couple of days to let it acclimate to the temperature and humidity. Avoid awkward slivers at the edges by adjusting your starting point. It's worth the time to create a balanced and visually appealing arrangement. Don't forget those spaces. They may seem like a small detail, but they play a crucial role in allowing for necessary expansion. Leave the recommended gap around the perimeter to prevent any issues as the flooring adjusts to changes in temperature and humidity. Keep an eye on the pattern as you go. Laminate flooring often has a repeating pattern, so be mindful of alignment to maintain a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing result. And there you have it, our top tips for installing laminate flooring like a pro. Remember, patience is key, and each step contributes to the overall success of your project. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY content.